In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link to a page in Notion. Linking pages is one of the simplest ways to keep your workspace connected and easy to navigate. Whether you are building a wiki, organizing a project hub, or just cross-referencing notes, there are 3 quick ways to create clean, reliable links that automatically stay up to date as your workspace evolves. First, the fastest method is using double brackets. While you are typing on any page, enter 2 left brackets, like this. Immediately start typing the name of the page you want to reference. Notion will show a list of matching pages. Use your arrow keys to highlight the right one. Then press Enter. Or click it. You've now created an inline link that sits neatly inside your sentence. If the page title changes later, the link text updates automatically. So you never have to worry about broken references or outdated names. This method is perfect for smooth, readable writing where the link is part of the flow of your text. Second, you can create a link mention with the @ symbol. Type the @ sign, then begin entering the page name. Just like before, pick your page from the list. Mentions are especially handy when you are mixing pages with people or dates in one place, like meeting notes or project timelines. The result looks like a compact pill or chip, and it also updates if the page gets renamed. Functionally, it's a link, but formatted as a mention to stand out a bit more in your notes. Third, if you want a dedicated block that points to another page, use the / command. Type /, then type link, and choose link to page. Start typing the page name, select it. And Notion will insert a standalone block that references that page. This block inherits the page's icon and title, making it great for dashboards, indexes, and hub pages where you want links to be visually scannable. You can move this block around like any other content, arrange it in columns, or place it under headings to build a clear structure. A few quick tips to make all of this smoother: try to use clear, consistent page names, so search suggestions surface the right result fast. If you are not seeing the page you want, check spelling or type a unique keyword from the title. And remember, all 3 options create links that auto-update, so you can confidently reorganize without breaking your connections. That's it. You now know 3 reliable ways to link to a page in Notion. Thanks for watching.